Hi, good morning. Today is a very casual day for me. This is my go-to dress every time I don't feel like, dressing up. So, kanila ako mga gusto, mga t-shirt type, mga dagko. And today, ganahan kay ko mag-share sa inyo sa ako ang gipalit na surprise. What's this? Oh my God. Pati yung gahi. Diyos ko. Mahurot mo po na itong kusog, ani. Well, oh my God. The courage to be disliked. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Ikigai. The Japanese secret to a long and happy life. I really like reading books. Although, pagkita na ko na humana akong previous books ang gipalit. But at least, para ma-inspire sa akong life. Papagay ko na human ani, kani wala pa sad ko na human, but I keep this on my bag so that if I have time, I can read it. And yeah, I don't know, ganahan lang jud kog libro. Biskan pag madugay na ako mabasa because I don't have so much free time to read, but I really like it. Yeah, I'm happy. I'll let you know kung unsa akong nabasa ani. It may take a long time to share what I've learned with these books because it takes me a while na magkaroon ng time.